QR. Nathan's turn.
Random breath test, buddy.
Okay.
Just blowing the machine for me. Don't touch it, just blowing it. Thanks, mate.
Cool.
Nathan's first breath test.
Nice.
Woohoo! Okay, 40k speed limit in, Nathy. All right. Done some mods to the car since you were on the track last, Nath.
Yeah.
What have you done? The extra lock knuckles.
Extra lock.
Yeah. You got some camber plates in.
Spaces.
Yeah, your wheel spacers.
Yeah.
I might have blocked his back brakes. I capped the line to the rear brakes, so he doesn't have rear brakes anymore. He's got a pretty cool steering wheel now.
Yeah, a bit nervous.
He's a bit nervous.
Just a little bit.
Because while we've been waiting, everyone's been asking Nath how you drift an automatic AU on Qld Raceway when you haven't got power or a clutch.
Yeah.
I don't know, he just does his best, don't you, Nath?
Yeah.
Alright, and here we are, there's no queue, everyone's napping over there, and we're going to get released.
Oh yeah.
So just have a feel, there's an AU out there doing some skids already.
Yeah.
2 hands. Give you first. Go. Catch. That'll do, just little ones like that to start with and away you go. That's cool. And take it to that side and cut it across. Just see what it does. Go. You know it. That's it. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Got a bit carried away.
Yeah.
Up it! See, the extra lock you had was pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was doing really well.
Yeah.
We'd have to watch the replay of that one to see where it went wrong though. Hello, good, good, good. Very good. Up it. Back. Yes! That was awesome, dude. How good was that?
Oh,
How good's that steering lock?
I love it. I could never do that before.
Well done. Alright, Nath, we just had to come in and tighten a few loose nuts, eh?
Yeah.
Feel alright now?
Yeah.
Sure? A bit nervous now of everything, aren't you?
Yeah, it feels tighter, doesn't it?
Better?
Yeah.
Whew. Front wheel was going to fall off. We didn't have our wheel nuts on tight. Well, our wheel nuts were on tight, weren't they, Nate?
The spaces.
The wheel spacer wasn't quite rattled up.
Which is better than having to do the other.
Yeah, we thought the hub nut had come loose. But he reckons he swung off that big nut. So anyway, it's not making a funny rattle sound now. There's a bit of a traffic jam down there, Nate. Righto. Got your second gear, Nate. Nate likes second gear. Show us concentration.
No.
Yoo-hoo! That'll do. Yep, magic. Here we go, his favourite corner. Catch. Yes. More speed and into it. Yes. Turn up there.
That was good.
That was really good.
That was really good. I did the dipper.
Yes. Well done, buddy. Well done. Right, had a good run then. And just discovered we've been leaving Nathan's aircon going. It was my only job, to turn off the aircon. Wasn't it, Nate?
Yeah.
So they've had to do a bit of a recovery. So there's a few traffic jams building up now. could drive it tonight. Right, away you go. Oh, good recovery from silly angle. That's it, more power. Wait for him. Now we go, now go. Up there.
Oh, it's so good. Oh,
That was good. That was really good. How different is this car?
I love it. How did I save that?
How did you save that first one?
Yeah.
The knuckles make it different car.
Oh, 100%. Like, I almost like mentally just give up because I just know I've lost it, but I haven't. You know, it's still there.
Round he goes. We're running out of light, Nathan. Had a good night so far. We've only been at it for what, an hour?
Yeah.
50 minutes. Car's completely different. Yes. Having a great time.
Yep.
Alright. Shame the sun's gone down. Won't get any footage of the good stuff.
That's right.
Catch you guys.
Bye.